Hi folks, can we really reduce our energy usage and save money back into our business? I'm John Mullen, the Energy Evangelist, and this is a typical everyday question. Today we're talking about save energy, save money. Many people have the idea that installing a BeMS system, let's say Building Energy Management System, is too expensive. But let's look at the other side of the equation to see what benefits can be gained from using a BeMS. Number one, typical savings for a fully optimized BeMS can show up to a 50% savings on your energy costs. Have I already got your attention? Number two, BeMS can control as much as 84% of your building's energy consumption. This means you reduce your energy bills and reduce your carbon footprint. And again, another big tick in the box. Number three, BeMS monitors many different levels of alarm conditions, and this helps predict usage and failure trends. This then results in lower operating costs because of higher equipment service life. This reduces downtime and raises business continuity levels. So, these are three of the most important responses about using a typical BeMS system. So if you're watching your energy bills increase each year and you really want to find out more of how to make changes, I'm John Mullen, the Energy Evangelist. Come and find out how to save energy, save money at energyevangelist.co.uk. Bye.